Hey guys, so welcome back to another video here, and today I have the OnePlus 7 Pro here, as you can see, and I'm going to unlock the bootloader here and then install the custom ROM, which is the PixelExperience 12. So let's get started. So definitely you need a OnePlus 7 Pro here, as you can see, and then you have to go to the about phone. You press your build numbers for a few times if you haven't already, so you will get a developer option here, which is in the system developer option. As you can see here, it's turned on, and of course you have to turn on this OEM unlocking, which will allow you to unlock the bootloader later, and also turn on this advanced reboot here settings, so you can straight reboot to the bootloader later on. All right. And then of course you need a PC here, as you can see, and you have to download the ADB Tools ready, as you can also see here, which I have already unzipped here. They are all in my folders here. And I think you will also need some drivers like the OnePlus drivers. Alright, so you can do this quickly, and let's get started with the command. As you can see here, I'm opening the Windows terminal. Okay, and then you will definitely have to reboot your phone into the bootloader mode, and you have to check, of course, because unlocking the bootloader will erase everything from your phone, including your internal storage. So make sure you make a backup of everything else. Alright, so let's reboot to the, as you can see, I've turned on the advanced reboot just now, so you can just press here. You can see there's recovery, there's bootloader. So we're going to bootloader, and you will go to the bootloader here, restarting. Alright, so it's now in the bootloader mode. As you can see here, the device state is locked. Alright, and then let's go back to the computer here, which you have a guide here where you can teach you how to unlock your bootloader. So it's super easy actually. You just reboot your phone into the bootloader, as I've mentioned, and then you do this command to the ADB. So you just press enter. As you can see, I'll press enter first. You see the phone here, it will show if you want to unlock or not. So what you will do is press the volume button here, volume down, so you can select the unlock, and you just press the power button to confirm. So after pressing this, you will unlock a bootloader and everything will be erased. Alright, and we are done here. As you can see, it's ready unlock. So we'll just wait for the phone to boot up. And yes, of course, it's wiping first, then you would make a restart, so everything will be fully reset, like from the scratch. All right, so I'll skip to the setup later. All right, so we are back here with the device already done resetting, and I've done the simple setup. So as you can see, it's already fully reset to the original state. And what you need to do is, again, go to the settings here, go to the about phone, go to the build number, press a few times, and you will enable the developer mode. And then you will go to the developer mode here as again, and you can see the bootloader is already unlocked here, but this time you have to enable the USB debugging mode, which I forgot to mention just now. Before doing the bootloader unlocking, you also have to enable this, alright, which I already enabled just now as well, and also turn on this advanced reboot, so it's easier for you to reboot to the bootloader later. Alright, it's already turned on the debugging mode, and as you can see here, this is the Pixel website here, PixelExperience, where it will lead you to how to do all this stuff. So right now what we're going to do is to boot the custom recovery using the fast boot. And again, what you need to do is just copy this command, open your PowerShell, right, paste, enter. Alright, and then your phone will show the if you allowed it, so you just press allow USB debugging, and you will reboot to the bootloader. So we'll do that one more time, I think. Right, and then yes, it's rebooted to the bootloader here. Just a moment. As you can see here right now, the device state is already unlocked. And then the next step is you have to flash the recovery temporarily. So what you need to do is to download the recovery here on the Pixel website as usual. Just download this file and then put to your ADB folder here. Right now I have downloaded and placed it over here. Which one? Yeah, this one. Alright, so just right click and rename. You copy the file name .img, and what you need to do is, okay, I actually have to copy this command first. Alright, until here you paste and you copy this file name, the full file name including the file format, which is .img, and you just press enter. As you can see here, sending. Okay, it's done. So right now, again, you just follow this step here where you have to boot to the recovery, which I think it shall work now. Let me try that. Use the volume rocker here to select the settings. So I'm going to boot to recovery, and let's see if it's ready. Flash. Alright, so you can see this is already PixelExperience recovery, and the next step is to flash this copy partitions file. So in case there's any error, it helps to solve the problem in between the slot A and slot B. And what you need to do here is you reboot the recovery here, and you just volume down to go apply update, right? Apply from ADB. Alright, so it's ready in the ADB. You just put your phone there and you go back to your computer here. As you can see here, you just flash this file here, which is going to be ADB side load. As usual, you open your PowerShell, and the file name here, which is the copy partitions, you copy it again. You just remember to put a space in between. This is a zip file. You just press enter as well, and it will start flashing this zip file. Alright, just gonna take a while, so just let it settle down, and then the next step would be installing the PixelExperience from the recovery. But what you need to do is you have to reboot to the recovery first before doing that. And let's wait for this to finish. Okay, it's done here. So going back here, you can, okay, I think yeah, this touchscreen actually works. I'm not very sure as well. So yeah, you can use the volume button here, or you just touchscreen. So you reboot to the recovery again. Just press this, and it shall reboot. So actually, I'm going to install the PixelExperience 12, which is not available officially. As you can see here, the last official version for this model is PixelExperience 11, and I'm going to install here is an unofficial version, so it's not going to be stable as this one because it's unofficial, but there might be some bugs or some issues. So bear in mind, if you are going to install it, you're going to face some issues. Alright, and also yeah, I'm not responsible for any kind of damages to the device if you insist to install this custom. So always do this at your own risk, and if you are ready to go, you can just start to flash. Alright, and we are now back to the recovery mode. As you can see here, it also follow the step here. So what you need to do is to actually just apply update, apply from ADB as usual here. So you just put your phone there, and the next step is you have to download this file and then put your ADB folder as usual, which I already downloaded. So this is the one. I'm gonna copy the name. Okay, I forgot again. So what you need to do is to, now you just type ADB site load, paste the file name, .zip, just enter, and you will just flash it straight away. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go. Loading, and it started to flash. So this will take some time, and I'll skip to the time where it finished the flashes, where the percentage here should always show 47%, which already done actually. So it's a bug. So if it shows 47, so it's already done, do not worry. Alright, hey everyone, so it's been like 5 minutes and it's already done flashing, as you can see, but there's no showing 47%, which I'm not sure why, because usually it will show 47, but just ignore it. And then we have done flashing, so you can see here is 2 out of 2, if you can see here. And what we're going to do is just go back, and you can actually just reboot system, but it will take some time to boot out because it's the first boot. And let's try that. Alright, and it will say this system cannot load, which I think you should make a factory reset just now. So let's do that just for that. Alright, so after the factory reset just now, you can see here the setup here is ready, loaded. Alright, so let's get started. Right, I just set it offline. Skip everything first. Alright, and then we are done here at the home screen, as you can see, which is the PixelExperience 12. Settings here, about phone. As you can see here, the Android 12 with December 5th security patch. And that's it for the guide, a simple guide here, which is actually very easy if you have all these apps or the files ready, and it's just like a 15 minutes job to do so. Alright, so and then I will do another video on this PixelExperience 12 on the OnePlus 7 Pro. So stay tuned to my channel for more upcoming videos, and see you guys in the next video. Peace.